Unlock the future of video creation with AI text-based editing in Filmora 13. Imagine transforming your written stories into stunning videos with just a few clicks. Filmora 13's new AI text-based editing feature makes this possible, turning your words into dynamic visual narratives effortlessly. Ready to see how your text can come to life? Let's dive in. Take your video editing to the next level. Download and install the latest version of Filmora using the link in the description and start creating like a pro. Filmora's user-friendly interface and powerful tools make it the perfect choice for all your editing needs. Once you've got it set up, don't forget to watch our next video where we'll build on what you've learned and help you unlock even more creative possibilities. Let's start editing. Filmora 13 introduces an exciting new feature, AI text-based editing. On the Filmora Start window, you'll find the text-to-video option. Click on it to start creating your video story. With this feature, you can easily turn your written text into a dynamic video. For example, let's create a short story about a lion and a mouse. You can write your story from scratch or copy and paste it into the editor. After entering your text, select the language. I'll choose English for my story. Next, pick your preferred video aspect ratio. I'll stick with 16:9. Then, choose a text-to-speech voice for narration. I'll go with Mark's voice. Once everything is set, click the text-to-video button. The AI will transform your text into a visually engaging video. When the process is complete, your AI-generated video will be ready in Filmora. Here's a quick look at the story of the lion and the mouse.
Story of the Lion and the Mouse. Once upon a time, a lion accidentally stepped on a mouse. The mouse begged for forgiveness, and the lion spared its life. A few days later, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. The mouse gnawed at the ropes and freed the lion. The lion learned that even the smallest creatures can be helpful.
With this feature, you can effortlessly convert lengthy texts into captivating videos in just seconds. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow guides. Remember to download Filmora using the link in the description and start exploring all the amazing features it offers. And be sure to check out the next video in this series to continue your editing journey. Until next time, happy editing!